You are actually worth more dead, debt, than alive. The Social Security system and your hidden account. The Social Security number on the front of your Social Security card is assigned to the debtor or straw man, a legal fiction representing an artificial person created for financial and legal transactions. However, the red number on the back of the card corresponds to an exempt priority prepaid account assigned to one of the 12 Federal Reserve banks, as indicated by the letter preceding the number. Each of these 12 letters corresponds to a Federal Reserve district, designating which bank is managing the associated account. A. Boston. B. New York. C. Philadelphia. D. Cleveland. E. Richmond. F. Atlanta. G. Chicago. H. St. Louis. I. Minneapolis. J. Kansas City. K. Dallas. L. San Francisco. Rather than routing chargebacks to the Secretary of the Treasury, they should be directed to the Federal Reserve Bank handling the account. The Secretary of the Treasury in the United States was eliminated in 1926, and its functions were absorbed by the International Monetary Fund, IMF. As a result, the Secretary of the Treasury of Puerto Rico now effectively holds that title. The debt cycle and inflationary consequences. The root of economic instability, national debt, inflation, and financial crises, stems from the fact that the public and national debt are not being redeemed using private exemptions. This failure to balance the debt on the private side leads to persistent inflation, recessions, and geopolitical conflicts. Wars, in particular, serve as a mechanism for debt cancellation by eliminating debtors from the system. Under Title 12, Section 1811 and Section 3104 of the U.S. Code, which governs deposit insurance, all financial accounts, including checking, savings, and credit card accounts, are insured under the Federal Depository Insurance Act, FDIA, through the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC. This means that financial institutions can claim insured funds upon the death of an account holder, further reinforcing the idea that individuals hold greater financial value to the system when deceased than when alive. Debt cancellation through execution. The deliberate elimination of debtors through execution, whether in warfare or law enforcement encounters, serves a dual function: canceling financial obligations and enabling institutions to collect uninsured funds. Police officers, in some instances, are incentivized to engage in excessive force because eliminating a debtor also eliminates the associated debt. This principle aligns with the laws of karma, the laws of cause and effect, and hidden scriptural meanings regarding salvation and redemption. On a metaphysical level, these financial transactions and societal mechanisms reflect an intricate system of debt, sacrifice, and redemption, embedded within both economic and spiritual frameworks.